I got some new tuning forks. Tune into wellness. These guys sent me this, and I'm so excited to try them out. Some new frequencies in here that I have not tried. So let's open it up. Look at how this is packaged. All beautiful here. Isn't that cute? Yes, this Enzo Sensory company. So sweet. All right, so let's open it up. I feel like my grandmother opening up her Christmas present. She didn't like to rip anything. Oh my God, look how pretty. All right, so let's open it up. What's cool about this is vegan leather, so we don't have to worry about the animals with this. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna open it. All right. It's kind of like a brush case, a makeup brush case. Okay, ready? Are we ready? This is the first reveal for me too. Oh, okay, there they are. They're really tucked in there. Okay, so first off, they give you a hockey puck. So why would they give you a hockey puck? They give you a hockey puck because this is the best way to hit a tuning fork and really get a nice resonance to it, nice vibration to it. So hockey puck in tow. That's awesome. And let's take them out. Dun, dun, dun. This is a non-weighted fork, which means it does not have the weights up here. This is a Yang fork. It says 384 hertz. Let's give it a try. That's just really nice. Okay, we got that. Oh my God, this is a weighted one. So they have this called Auto, 128 hertz. Here we go. This 128 hertz, I do know, is very good for muscles and tendons, and I can't wait to use it right here because I just got back from traveling and I have a big muscular knot right there. So let's just get that right on there. So these, oh, yes. Feels very good. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, we have a Yin. We have a 256 hertz. Nice long one. You can see it's longer than that one. Okay. Ooh, a lot higher. Okay. So we get a Yin and a Yang. All right. And is that it? Oh, there's one more. Another weighted one. Here we go. Look at that. This is an Ohm, a 136. I don't know if you guys can hear the next frequency that I'm listening to. There are baby birds over there. Another airplane. Okay, so this is Ohm. 136 hertz. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful set. You get 2 weighted, 2 non-weighted, and you get this to hit it on, and you get this awesome case. So tune in because I'm going to show you for each one how to do a little practice session on them. Hey, Enzo Sensory, I'm super excited to be collaborating with this company. All right. Cool. I can't wait to play. Here we go.